I was curious about reactive attachment disorder and how with children have lost that development of empathy because of that detachment or lack of attachment with their mother from a very young age. And I was just wondering if you have some guidance for me of direction courses that you advise.
Yeah, for me, I'll go back again on the embryo, and the attachment is mirror into the attachment of the egg on the wall of the uterus. And that's a class called PSE, Paradigm Shifts in Embryology. I'll do again 6, 7, 8 of March in Texas. With your hand, you're going to find the place. So the attachment, the embryo is not in flexion, but initially is in extension. And after it's going to go in flexion. During that extension, he always attached to the wall and connect with the wall with the back. It's so from the head all the way to the bottom of the butt, somewhere here, some cells are going to have the first contact.
Okay.
And when you identify those cells that have the first contact, you're going to see the problematic. Do I want to be here? Do I want to attach? Do I want to make my nest? Do I want to come in? Do I feel welcome? Do I feel loved? Or I don't want to be here. And that attachment is totally reflected at that period. And not every type of attachment, but a lot of attachment is reproduced there. So going back there, and you don't have to dialogue so much, and you just, touch those cells, and, we have a way to find them. And when you find them, you just stay there and you see the person back into their problematic. And especially if it's not a young kid, when it's going to be nonverbal, but or even an adult, they will just like, oh, I feel so uncomfortable. I don't want to stay here. Or, oh yeah, it's feel okay. I know. And I can enter, and if they are uncomfortable, then you try to do a gentle dialogue, but basically until they realize that, hey, I made it. Hey, does your baby know that you're going to be okay because you're okay now and you made it? It looks difficult, but you're going to make it. And so you find ways with the dialogue to make them accept and enter into, and boom, they're going to enter and make a nest, and they're going to accept it. They're going to approve it. They're going to forgive it. You're going to find a way to make them enter into the endometrium. And that's, I think, for me, the easiest way. You can also work with reflex. Some of the reflex need to be inhibited sometime. That would be very complementary. But I will start with that moment of attachment, which is very, very early. It's 5, 6, 7 days of the fertilized eggs, of the zygote. And now it's Alaya.
Yes, I would love to share a little bit in the advanced conception and birth class, because I realized that our first experience in life is as an ovum, and we are created in the womb of grandmother, in the ovary of mother. So we have to understand that we live every experience of our mothers. We live her birth, we come into the world, and every single thought and feeling is imprinted on the ovum. So by the time we are conceived, we have a whole foundation of feelings, thoughts, and beliefs. We already know if we're welcome or not. So I've been working on the cellular level, and it's so amazing that it's opened me up in a very, very deep way. And I've also noticed that we never really speak to ourselves. There's just our body. But when I started to really be in touch with the breath and the emotions of my cells, I must have cried for a few days. And I know it was the feeling of my cells that are holding all that history. Finally, I am recognized. Finally, you are seeing me and loving me. It's incredible. So it's like the cellular piece, for those 20 to 30 years are huge. And it's usually not addressed. So that's been a huge for my heart. Wow.
So attachment is so primal. I think it has to be addressed early like that. It's a foundation.
And the ovum is like amazing what the ovum carries and what we can learn.
Wow, I'm excited.
So you also have like the first person heart-centered therapy and PSC, and maybe the brain reflex to cover those things.
Thank you so much.
Pleasure. Great pleasure.
Wow.